Today, life does not seem possible without computers or machines. Due to the speed of machines, their working capacity, ease of using machines, and solving complex problems, our dependence on machine is increasing very fast. That is why it becomes necessary for us to know what is artificial intelligence and their types. Stay with me. My name is Gaurav, and you're watching Honest Mark. Artificial intelligence is a subdivision of computer science and its roots are completely based on computer systems. The ultimate goal of AI is to create devices that can act intelligently and independently and reduce human labor and manual work. It uses machine learning to mimic human intelligence. Siri, Alexa, Tesla cars, and digital applications like Netflix and Amazon are some of the best examples of AI technologies. Artificial intelligence bifurcate Type 1 and Type 2. Type 1 contain narrow AI, general AI and strong AI, where Type 2 contain 4 type reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness. What are these? Let's see. Under the Type 1, it has ANI, AGI and ASI, which is called Artificial Narrow Intelligence and Artificial General Intelligence and Artificial Super Intelligence. Let's talk about ANI, mean Artificial Narrow Intelligence. Narrow AI is a type of AI which is able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence, the most common and currently available AI. Narrow AI cannot perform beyond its field or limitations as it is only trained for one specific task. Hence, it is also called as a weak AI. Apple, Siri and Google Assistant example of narrow AI, but it operates with a limited predefined range of functions. IBM's Watson supercomputer also come under the narrow AI as it use an expert system approach combined with machine learning and natural language processing. Some examples of narrow AI are playing chess, purchasing and giving suggestions on e-commerce sites, self-driving cars, speech recognition and image recognition. Second is artificial general intelligence, in short AGI. General AI is a type of intelligence which could perform any intellectual task with efficiency like a human. The idea behind the general AI to make such a system which could be smarter and think like a human by its own. Currently there is no such system exist which could come under general AI and can perform any task as perfect as a human. The worldwide research are now focused on developing machine with general AI. As systems with general AI are still under research and it will take lots of effort and time to develop such systems. Next is artificial super intelligence, in short ASI. Super AI is a level of intelligence of system at which machine could surpass human intelligence and can perform any task better than human with consecutive properties. It is an outcome of general AI. Some key characteristics of a strong AI include capability, ability to think, and the reason to solve the puzzle, make judgments, plan, learn, and communicate by its own. Super AI is a still hypothetical concept of artificial intelligence. Development of such system in real is still world-changing task. Second type of artificial intelligence, it has divided into 4 parts. Reactive machines, very limited capability that just produce an output based on input, no memory and no learning. We can say pure reactive machine are the most basic type of artificial intelligence. This kind of AI system do not store memories or past experience for future actions. These machines only focus on the current scenarios and react on it as per the possible best action. IBM's Deep Blue system is an example of a reactive machines. Google AlphaGo is also an example of reactive machines. Next is limited memory. Machines that are capable of learning from historical data and make better predictions. Most current applications fall into this category. Limited memory machines can store past experience or some data for short period of time. These machines can use store data for limited time period only. Self-driving cars are the one of the best examples of limited memory system. These car can store recently speed by nearby cars, the distance of other cars, speed limited and other information of navigation the road. Next is theory of mind, machines that begin to interact with the thoughts and emotions of humans. This is that a conceptual stage and work in progress as we speak. Theory of mind AI should understand the human emotions, people, beliefs and be able to interact social like humans. This type of AI are still not developed, but researchers are making lots of effort and improvement for developing such AI machines. Next is self-aware, the final stage of AI that has evolved to be like human with independent intelligence. We are far from this. Self-awareness AI is a future of artificial intelligence. These machines will be super intelligent and will have their own consciousness, sentiments and their self-awareness. These machines will be smarter than human mind. Self-awareness AI does not exist in reality and it is a hypothetical concept. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this information? If you like, so you must share with your friends.